Meaning of inconclusive.
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 Inconclusive. The term inconclusive refers to a situation where the evidence or the information available is not enough to draw a definitive conclusion. It means that no clear answer can be determined, and there are still uncertainties or doubts about the subject in question. An inconclusive result suggests that further investigation or testing is required before a final decision can be made. It may also indicate that multiple interpretations or possibilities exist. While an inconclusive outcome may be frustrating, it highlights the need for continued research and analysis to arrive at a more definitive conclusion.